Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Once again, I'm here in the garage with the bike and we're going riding, but I'm not sure if you guys have seen the title of the video yet. I'm assuming you have if you clicked on it, but basically I'm gonna tell you guys why not to buy a new bike. So Ian, as you guys know, he's been in many videos, not recently, but we're going riding with him today, and he got a new to him 2017 yz250 250 for $3,000, which is an absolute steal. So I'm gonna tell you guys more about it. He's on his way over now. Gonna load my bike up with his bike. I'll show you his bike, and we're gonna go riding. Also, if you guys are new around here, make sure to subscribe. Everyone subscribe right now. I was checking out my analytics, and there was 7,000 people that watched last month and didn't subscribe and weren't subscribed. That's 3 times the amount of subscribers I have. So if you're not already, subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. We're at 1,920, I think, right now. So Ian's on his way over. We're gonna go ride. See you guys then. Alright guys, we're out here. I'm out of breath, I've been riding around. But here's Ian's bike, 2017 yz250 250. Thing is mint. It didn't have an hour meter, but off looking at it, it was very clean. It still had stock chain and sprockets. Yes, they could have put those on, but we don't believe so. They said it didn't have many hours. We just took their word for it as it's clean. But my point being is, guys, I get comments on the videos all the time. People, what bike should I buy? This, that, should I buy new? Yes, I bought new. It's nice, but that was $7,000, and Ian got basically a new bike for $3,000. So you just gotta hunt. The deals are out there. The bike was listed for $3,500. It was only up for a few hours. Ian offered the guy $3,000. He said no originally, so Ian just didn't respond. And then the guy came back and said, fine, I'll do $3,000. So Ian originally said $3,000 cash today, and the guy took it. So if you guys are hunting, you guys can find the right bikes, the right deals. I'll do a video of me riding it. I'm sure Ian will let me ride it, but I just wanted to show you his bike, show you what's out there. We're gonna rip the sand pit. Ian's got his shovel out. It's cold out here. So yeah, we're gonna cut to some riding clips. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright guys, like always, I didn't film an outro, so here we are. So yeah, that's Ian's bike, 2017 yz250 250. He got it for $3,000. It was such a steal, I think. And I just wanted to bring that to you guys, show you guys that. I thought it was pretty cool, and he made out pretty well. So if you guys are looking for bikes, they're definitely out there. You can find them and whatnot. So like I said, that bike was listed for $3,500. Ian told the guy, I'll do $3,000 cash today, no BS. And then so the guy ended up taking it, and then now Ian's got basically a new bike for $3,000. But today is Friday. We're going riding right now. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to take the YZ for its first ride, or my first time on it. I did ride it for like half a lap when we filmed this video. I'll show that now. But yeah, last time I didn't have the GoPro with me, I'm going to have the GoPro today, and we're going to go ripping. Also, check out the merch. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's got the little Joe on the back, and I also have this shirt. This one's my favorite, I think. Double O Joe right here. And then it says Film Crew 00 for double O. I'm not selling those or anything, but if you guys see me and I have some, I'll give them out. But yeah, if you're, like I said, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. There's a lot coming. Also, guys, I signed up for Supercross at Gillette. That will be happening in April. So I'll get to ride the Supercross track. So that's going to be a sick video when that comes. End this video and go film the next one. Us riding. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new. And smash that like button. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.